In my last video, I taught you the fastest way to build a six-figure cleaning business. If you didn't see it yet, I'll link it below. In this video, we're going to build on that and talk about the fastest way to get your cleaning business earning you passive income, which is what will get you to the point of even more personal and financial freedom. Let's get to work. So first off, what exactly is passive income? There's a variety of definitions depending on who you ask, but in the world of entrepreneurship, the basic definition is this: money that you earn without directly trading your time and effort to get it. Now, just a quick note from a legal perspective. Certain government agencies, like the IRS, might define passive income even further, specifically when it comes to things like rental property income or earnings from investments. But for the purpose of this video, we're talking about money you make in your cleaning business without directly trading your time and effort to earn it. For many years, I made six figures a year as a solo cleaner working completely alone, and I loved my business. But all of that income was a direct result of the hours I worked, meaning my income was capped, and there were only two ways that I could make more money. One, I could work more hours, which I wasn't willing to do. Or two, I could increase my rates. But at that time, my rates were already at the top of my market. While I did increase my rates a little each year, my income would still always be limited by the hours I was putting in. Obviously, that wasn't a bad thing. I had a six-figure cleaning business, and I didn't have the added tasks that came with employing other people. But fast forward to today, I still make six figures a year from my cleaning business, but I do it without cleaning. How? I simply hire out the cleaning. Now, this doesn't mean I don't work. I do. But the work I do is all about growing my business, both by adding clients and hiring more cleaners. And I can do that work on my own schedule. And the other huge benefit is that when I choose to not do any work for a period of time, like when I'm on vacation, my business is still making money for me. Currently, all we do is high-ticket commercial cleaning, and most of our contracts are local government. And we hire a mix of subcontractors and legal employees, depending on the situation. I talk about that more inside my coaching program. But this passive income is what enables both my husband and I, who is my business partner, to have increased personal and financial freedom. And one other quick note, you can also earn passive income doing a mix of these two business models. You do this by hiring an employee or two to take with you from job to job. Let's say you're cleaning a house and it's a 4-hour job at $75 an hour. For a total of $300 per cleaning. If you go alone, you'll make $75 an hour. But if you take someone else along with you, then you can do the same job in just about 2 hours. What you pay them will vary on experience level. But for this example, let's say you pay them $35 an hour, which at 2 hours of work totals $70. That means you now just took home $230 from the job after paying your employee. But instead of making $75 an hour, you just made $115 an hour. Yes, you were there too, but you made more money in less time, off the time and effort of someone else. And that is an amazing way to increase your take-home pay. So as you can see, there are a variety of business models in the cleaning industry. And inside my coaching program, we have students doing all of them, while doing all types of cleaning. In my almost 25 years as a cleaning business owner, I have seen and done it all too, and I would love to help you. So if you're ready to take some serious action, then join my coaching program at the link below. Or if you aren't quite there yet, then check out this next video, and let's keep building what you want together.